What's going on, ham fam? I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. But today's video, it's a doozy. Kind of a weird situation, to be honest, about how I'm acquiring these Denali parts. So enough rambling. So I went to his Friendsgiving. And this guy had a Yukon Denali sitting outside, and I was like, hey man, what are you doing with that? He said, oh dude, I'm about to crush it. And it had fully loaded Denali interior with the smoked wood grain and everything, like for my model truck. And a lot of people don't have those interiors. They literally only came in like Yukon Denalis and Cadillac Escalades, and that was like the real wood grain. The Denalis have the smoked wood grain. Anyways, yeah, he said you can have it all for free, and I was like, oh, for real? I'm coming this weekend. Never hit me back up, and I see this guy on TikTok or Snapchat that I've been friends with. Come here, and he posted it. And I was like, "Hey, where'd you get that?" And he's like, "Oh, funny story. A guy near me had it." And I was like, "What's his name?" Yada yada. Stories matched up, and lo and behold, now I'm having to drive 2 hours to get it, basically, and also having to pay money. I'm getting a good deal. I'm getting a good deal. Settle down. It's just annoying, you know, obviously that you were told you can get it for free and then you have to pay money for it, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm probably never gonna find this interior again, especially at the price I'm getting it for, but still, it's just annoying. And I also have to drive 2 hours, so we're gonna stuff the Honda, we're gonna stuff the Honda with some stuff, and hopefully it all fits. But yeah, sit back, relax, and I'll pick you up as soon as we get there. Yummy! Alright, we got the Honda loaded down. Let's go. Time to go back home. Woo! Okay, before we get into installing the Denali interior, we have to unload this trailer for my Faja. Let's go, mate. God. Dog, that thing look like Kim Kardashian. Booty, that thing so slick. Nice. The old 1-2 skiddly do. See how that, see how that bump got, bro, where is the key? See how that bump affected my dad's truck? I mean, his exhaust fell all the way off. Yeah, boy. Sheesh. All right, ham fam, we got the panels back at the house, and here they are. I'm gonna show you what they look like. So they're a little dirty right now, but check it out. They got the smoked wood grain, all the nice controls. I mean, hold on, I'm gonna give you some in-depth real quick. Stained all the heck, paint coming off. I mean, paint coming off my dash and stuff too, but like, this is gonna be a huge upgrade. Oh yeah, here's this. Like, pretty decent condition, and it already has a hole in it, so I'm definitely gonna just use my DSP5 switch over there. Not too big of a deal. I would have snagged the steering wheel, but it was a GMC. But the only thing that has extra than mine is the steering wheel, or the foot pedal controls. But look, my lock, these are all snapped off. My lock button hardly worked. This is literally held on by like one, missing both of these, so that has everything. And yes, before you say something in the comments, I know they're a different color, but I'm gonna be taking everything and getting it to paint. So I'm gonna be taking the top dash, get that painted to match that, the smoked color. I love that color, like the dark neutral, rather than the tan neutral color. All right, and cue the time lapse. Yay! And there it is. Time to see if everything works. Looks so good. Oh yeah. Oh, I need a new window motor on that side. Please don't go up. Now for the fun part. The console. Alrighty there, brother and brethrens and sisters. We got it. We got them. This is what it's looking like right now. Luckily, this harness was chopped off right there, but luckily it is the same connection I just tested out on that one to that one. So theoretically, it should plug in to that, and at least all the 12-volt stuff should work. There's one more harness that powers, I think they had the rear seats and rear infotainment, so that's not gonna work, but we don't really need that anyway. Practice with any day. So. What am I stuck on? Get over there. God, gone by now. Alright, now, first rule of business. We're gonna see if this freaking thing fits first. Alright, now, what we gotta do is, so it's the current situation. This outlet was snapped, but we're about to get it working. It was snipped right here, but we fed the other one for the starlights down yonder through the creek, and we're about to scoop this puppy up, put the seats back in, put the dash back in, and bam, call it a night. What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? We're done. I'm not sure how I feel about it though. Like, no kizzy. Like, it looks cool, but like all that trouble. Like, so the harness down here, this has 3 outlets. 1, 2, 3. That one right there. And I think 2 of them worked, but then I think a wire touched itself, and now just that one works. But like, honestly, I get that I had 1 to begin with, but like the fact that I have 3 and I can only use 1, bogus. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, it looks freaking fire, guys. I'll show you a little clip of it in the morning. Yeah, I have to get in here and fix that seat. I just have to get in there and push that back basically and kind of form it better, but yeah, she's wood grained, baby. All right, ham fam, I told you I would give you a good representation and presentation. Hold up. Of the new stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, here it is. So here's the interior, looking all snazzy. Like I said, I'm gonna paint it. I know it's mixed color now. At the beginning of the year, before next year's show season, we're gonna have the new lift and all that and stuff on. So no need to not use it. At least I want to use it. So I'm also gonna paint everything. I'm gonna color match everything to that. So yeah, this is it. I like it a lot, but obviously I don't know if you've ever seen this. These right here chip very, very, very easily on these models, and I'm just gonna get somebody to refinish that too, get that touched up. But we're into a predicament. None of my speakers work because I'm assuming this amp in this harness right here in the console, that powers the factory amp. So I'm assuming that's bad because my radio still works. Unplug the batteries, reset them, put a new fuse and everything like that, and nothing works. So I'm assuming it's the amp. So luckily we have our old stuff, and I know that works. And I'm just gonna take all this wiring out right here, get that subwoofer, and replace the amp and pop it in that one. So unfortunately, we have to take out the console again, but it's all right. I mean, I already know how to do it. I've already done it like 17 times now. But yeah, we're gonna do that and then hopefully get it fixed. All right, boys and girls, we have the interior ripped out again. If you do this Denali swap, now you're gonna have to dissect your old harness and just basically cut up the new one. For my case, I don't know if the guy fried it when he was taking it out, but I also heard from another person that he took out his old harness. But I got my old harness in here, and I got I got the one in the back working, this one working, and that one working. So I got all three. Just don't have the console 12 volt working. So yeah, I got all three 12 volts working. About to pop the seats back in, and we're good now. All right, so there you have it, my boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It was actually quite the pain in the ass. Yeah, so don't do like me. If you do Denali swap it, you have that longer amp, you're gonna have to swap your whole wiring harness. So you might as well save yourself some time and do that. But yeah, other than that, looks decent. For the price I paid, like I said at the beginning of the year, we're gonna be tearing out this whole thing and then redoing everything, like this smoked color right here, and we're gonna keep the black and the black on the top and bottom. So I think it's gonna look pretty good. If you did like and make it this far, drop a comment and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. Until next time, peace.